Good morning, YouTube. So I just saw this accident this morning. This van right here ran the light and ended up hitting that car that was turning. Are you guys all right? Did you guys already call 911?
We're attempting to. The phones aren't acting right.
Gotcha. Are you okay?
Hello?
Yeah, we saw you turning and then we saw her run the light. You had the green light, yeah. You were fine. My wife and I saw the whole thing, so that's why I'm back over here. So I'm not trying to be nosy, no problem.
No, I appreciate it because I was questioning myself. I was like, oh my God.
No, your light was fine. She ran it. She was trying to beat the light. You were turning and bam.
I tried to stop.
No, I mean you can. I mean it's a big ass van, so.
Put my hand
No, yeah, you're gonna need medical.
I literally just dropped my baby off at daycare. Thank God.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I see your car seat, but I mean you have it secure, so. But still, you don't want her to be a part of that. Yeah. I mean she can't see you like this, all right. Are you okay too?
I'm just glad I took her to daycare already.
I just dropped my granddaughter off.
You guys okay?
Yeah, they're fine.
You need a ride to work?
Hi, babe.
I was like 4 cars behind you.
No, I just told him I wouldn't be. I can't leave the car here.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
It's totaled.
Yeah.
He's very friendly. Yeah, as soon as I saw I turned around, parked at McDonald's and walked over. I was going to get coffee right now.
Yeah, we were right there when I saw the whole thing. Right there turning, because my wife is dropping off the kids. I'm like, drop me off, let me go see if they're okay. So
I don't even know how to get my car out of the middle.
you're not. They're gonna have to tell it. It's totaled.
Yeah,
No, you can't. It's the frame is Same thing with her frame too. The frame's got jacked. Yeah, if you look. And then she's leaking the radiator fluid, so that's not. You can't start that engine.
That radiator is toast.
Yep, radiator, condenser, mounting bracket. No, it's there. Your both cars are totaled. And I love those vans because I have an E150 myself, but it's an Econoline Ford.
Yeah.
I'm
So-
walking salty about it.
Yeah.
Not even lying.
Yeah.
Not even lying.
Sure, you shot right through it.
I know, right?
Damn, I wish I had a broom to kind of sweep the shit out of the way.
Yeah, babe. Want me to call her? I did. Okay. Thanks, love.
Man, you guys have a lot of people.
You're popular.
Yeah.
All the people that know me from work hate me.
I
work at the DMV. Nobody likes me. I would try and go move all that shit, but people keep driving.
No, yeah. There's no point. I'll right now when it's a red light, I'll help.
He's smart. They lost